My name is Clive Thomas. I'm the Managing Director of Watkins and Gunn solicitors. We think there's a wealth of talent in Wales and we don't want to miss out on tipping into that. I think part of retaining and attracting staff is development and training. Staff that join you want to make sure that they can be the best that they can be within any particular role, and they're not going to achieve that unless they're supported and trained. I think it is really important that they can see a clear career path within your firm. You have to go the extra mile to make sure people realise how much you value them and the work that they do. We've benefited from support from Business Wales in the way in which we've looked to transform our business in order to compete in the new digital environment, particularly around technology and support around training and being able to implement new ways of working that attract more clients to the business and help us to succeed and thrive post-pandemic.